Happy Saturday, everyone. It's just more heat and humidity in the forecast. Lots of sunshine, temperatures staying in the 90s, mid 90s for the most part, and the rain chances staying slim to none. I do have a 10% chance for rain tomorrow, and that's really about it. That's basically all in the 7-day forecast. We managed to hit 100 degrees today. We hit 101 for the high with a low of 74. It was also really humid. Heat indexes were up to 114. So, not a pleasant day by any means whatsoever. A solid 12 degrees above the normal. Now, keep in mind, you think we were really close to a record today, the record 102 set back in 1953. The high temperature and the record are taken from two different sources. The record is taken from the DFW airport, and today's high and low temperature are taken from my weather station at my house. So the today reading, not official. If it did get above 102, it wouldn't count against the official record because it's not taken from the same source. You know what I mean? You get the point. It was hot. Now, I'm going to throw a bunch of numbers at you, so be aware for that. Now, this is 2024 summer. As of September 14th, we have 33 100-degree days. We might get one or two more here in the next week if temperatures manage to get high enough, but for the most part, we're going to be in the mid to high 90s. 33 100-degree days. We've had 3 days over 105 degrees air temperature, highest being 107. Now, here's the kicker. This summer, we've had 94 days with the heat index over 100. And that number is likely to surge over 100 because basically every single day I have pretty high humidity. So we're likely to get above 100 days with the heat index over 100. Now, 105-degree days with the heat index, 71. And then 110 heat index, we've had 34 days with the heat index over 110. So if it's felt super hot, the humidity is the reason why. It's not the air temperatures. You can see a 61-day difference between the 100-degree days and the heat index being over 100. So a very humid summer, pretty contradictory to last year where we started off humid, then it got dry. You can see that big difference between the 100-degree days and the heat index being over 100. Now we're going to move even higher. We've had 18 days with the heat index over 115, which that's pretty extreme. 18 days, that's a solid over half a month. And we've only had, well, I say only, 2 days with the heat index over 120. That was June 27th and August 22nd. So if this summer has felt abnormally hot, it's because of the humidity, because we've had a solid 2 more months with the heat index over 100 than just the normal 100-degree air temperature. It's a lot of numbers. You might have to watch over it again for it to make sense. But basically the point, it has been super humid, abnormally humid this summer. As it's abnormally humid right now, it's 88 currently as of 9:06. Feels like 95. Staying pretty much cloudy right now. It's been cloudy for most of the day. Winds are east right now at 5 miles an hour. Tonight, the clouds are expected to clear out quite a bit, 74 for the low, and tomorrow, 93 with the high. Heat index is likely over 100. See that 10% chance of rain? That's a gimme. I mean, that's very, very, very small. I'm even doubting that a shower or thunderstorm will even pop up on the radar tomorrow. The day planner, 74 to start, 88 at noon, 93 the high at 4. Sunny, hot, and humid, 89 at 7. So our region outlook, you can see still some rain out east. Little Rock, New Orleans dealing with some rain. But you can see everywhere else, San Antonio's going to hit 100 with humidity too, which that's fun. I bet you're enjoying the humidity this summer. Everywhere else staying pretty consistent in the 90s. Laredo also dealing with some thunderstorm chances down there as well. So our 7-day outlook, 93 tomorrow and Monday, 92 Tuesday. Then we jump back up to 95 Wednesday and Thursday, 94 Friday, and then 92 on Saturday. We might get some more clouds there next Saturday. And each day having lows in the low to mid 70s and most likely very humid.